Hello everybody. Today I will let you know how to read data from Excel files. I will tell you how to read data from .xls, that means Excel file which supports 97 to 2003 formats, that is .xls. Let me write here how to read data from Excel file using Selenium or else using JXL. To be clear, JXL. So here the file format is .xls. Then how to read the file? So any prerequisites? We need JXL jar file. Then how do we get this jar file? Open any browser. Okay, here Chrome is open. So type JXL jar file download. Click on this. So you are getting java2s.com, the very first link. Click on this link. Yeah, this was the site. Let me check here where the JXL is present. I am scrolling down, so you can see here. I think this is this is the latest version. We have the older versions as well here. So 1.0, 2.4.2, 2.4.3, and the final version is here 2.6. So click on this link. So it is downloading. Yes, it has been downloaded here. Now open Eclipse here. So okay, before going to work on Eclipse, so Excel file, I need Excel file. So this was my Excel file. Let's say here I have data like user, the very first cell, then I have data called password. Let me save this file. Control S. So save at desktop. So here I am checking the format. So the format is Excel 97 to 2000 workbook, means .xls file. So my Excel file is book1.xls. Click on save. So it has been saved. So it is saved to desktop. Let me open this file. Yes, this is the file. You can see user and password. Okay, activation got failed. Now click on this location where the JXL is present. Here JXL is there. So right click on this jar file which has been downloaded in the form of zip format and say extract files. So extract where? Okay, downloads.jar. Okay, it has been extracted here. If you see, so it has been extracted to jxl.jar folder. Inside this jar folder, jxl.jar folder, we have jxl.jar file. So jar is the extension. So let me flip to Eclipse. So this was the package com.selenium. Right click on this package. Oh, it is taking too much time. So right click, so select new, again new class. Let's say Excel reading. So I need main method. Check the checkbox, click on finish. Okay, so class has been created here. So let me delete this line by using Ctrl T. So before going to work on Excel files, so right click on this project and go to build path. Here in build path, choose the option configure build path. So right click on the project, build path, configure build path. Again in configure build path. So this is the window we are getting, that is properties from Selenium project. So properties for Selenium project, inside this we have 4 tabs: source, projects, libraries, order, and export. So click on libraries. So here in libraries, click on, at right side we have several links, so click on add external jars. So and locate the jar file. So here is the jar file. So see users, so username something, so click on apply and close. Yeah, so the jar been added. How do you know? So inside reference library, so expand this, you can see jar has been added. So this is our class now. So what I will do is, so please observe, I am writing file input stream some reference, say f equal to, I am creating an object for file input stream. So file, new file input stream, control space, so Eclipse is little slow. Okay, so I am creating a constructor, so I am passing a string value here. So this file input stream, so is actually present in Java, so java.io. So I don't want to handle the exception thrown by this class. So here I am giving the Excel file location where actually we saved in desktop. So it is taking in the form of string, so it will read the data in the form of bytes. So let me show you the Excel location. This was my Excel location. So right click on this, properties, so you can see here, so this is my location. Go to Eclipse, paste here, and this is my file name. So file input stream is a class which will reach the file, that is here Excel file. Okay, so I am giving the Excel path in the form of string. Then, so if you observe, let me open this Excel file. So inside Excel file, this is nothing but actually workbook. Let me close this one. So this is nothing but workbook. So inside workbook we have sheets. Again inside sheet we have cells, right? Okay, we'll go in the same manner. So workbook. So workbook we have a class in JXL. So workbook some reference equal to workbook dot get workbook. So let me import the package. So you can see import workbook. So it is coming from JXL. So workbook dot get workbook. So get workbook. So give this file. Where is this file? This file present in file input stream. File input stream reference. Okay, and it is asking you through some exception, that is diff exception and IO exception. Don't bother about that expression because we are not going to handle, that's why I am throwing those exceptions. So here after workbook then we have sheet. So inside workbook we have sheet, right? So create sheet is also one of the class in JXL. So sheet some reference variable, that is s equal to, so workbook reference. So inside workbook I have sheet, so get sheet. So you can give the sheet index which starts from 0, or else you can give the sheet name. So what's the sheet name here? By default it will come as sheet 1, sheet 2 like this. You can see here sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Okay, so sheet, for sheet import the package. So you can see here sheet, all are from JXL. Okay, once we got the sheet, now inside sheet we have cells. So let me take one variable like string, let's say first cell data, then here the sheet reference dot, I'll say get cell. So get cell of what? So it is taking two arguments, the first argument is column and second argument is row. So here my data, let me open this Excel file. So here if you observe, my data is present at 0, 0 location. So user is present at 0, 0, means 0 column and 0 row, means the very first cell. So give those values, that is 0, 0. 0 is the column and 0 is the row. So yes, you can able to locate that cell value. Then inside cell we need to fetch that content. So we have a method called get contents. So get contents, and it will give the data of return type string. So that's why we took string. Now we can print the cell value. System.out.println, you can say first cell value is, that is first cell data. Okay, yep, we have done. So let me execute this one. Right click on this program, run as, and choose Java application. If you observe, see the console, the first cell value is user. Then how to get the second cell value? That is system.out.println, say second cell value is, how do we get? Can we write directly here? Yes, we can write, that is sheet reference dot get cell. So get cell, and what would be my location? This password location. This is column, right? So column 1 and again the same row, means 1, 0. That is 1, 0. Dot get contents. Fetch the contents of the cell. Save and right click, run as Java application. You can see. So first cell value is user, second cell value is password. So these are the things in the Excel file. So Excel is a file. Inside Excel we have workbook. Inside workbook we have sheets. So inside sheets we have cells. Inside cells we have data. In the same manner we located the file by using file input string class in Java, that is java.io package, and we are giving the location in the form of string. So it will read the file, and the file which has been read is stored in F, that is reference of file input stream, and workbook is the class in JXL. So workbook reference equal to workbook.getWorkbook. So where is the workbook? Workbook is present inside F. Okay, after fetching the workbook we need to fetch the sheet, right? So creating a sheet reference and saying that workbook.getSheet. So we are getting the sheet by using index or by using sheet name. Once we got the sheet, then we can go one step down, that is cell, and one step down, that is data. So like this, it's a hierarchical order. So inside sheet we have cells, inside cells we have the contents, that is nothing but the data. So here you need to remember the point, like it will take in the form of column, rows, that is j, I. Generally we are speaking like j, I. So here instead of index we can say simply sheet 1, right? If you observe, yeah, this is sheet 1. So let me execute this one. Right click on this, run as Java application. If you observe, yes, I can able to print the output. From the output is nothing but the data present inside the Excel file. So simple, right? It's very easy. So thank you friends.